So on this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat no connection. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode for 2 seconds or 3 seconds and disable it. Go back and then open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, wait a few seconds. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Snapchat, click on it, click on force stop, and then click on data usage, and make sure that all these options are enabled, because sometimes just the problem is just from here. So make sure that everything is enabled, especially the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. After that, go back, click on storage, and click on clear cache down here. Go back again, and this time click on open by default. Click on open supported links in this app and choose always allow. And the last thing you want to do is make sure to update your Snapchat in the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.